In this tutorial, we will see that how can change email on Instagram in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, you have to launch your Instagram app and you will be on this profile section. You have to click on these three lines that are showing right upper side. And then you will be on this settings and privacy where you need to open this account center in order to change email on Instagram. Open it and here you will see this account settings section and personal details. You have to open this one and here it will show you your contact info. You can open this one and here it is. Now to change this email on Instagram, you can simply open it, and for the first step you have to delete this mail from Instagram by just clicking here delete mail. After deleting it from here, you can simply click back and at the bottom side you will see here this add new contact. Click on that and here you will get this new option add email where you can add up your new email to change it. So that's how you can change email on Instagram in just few easy steps.